You can save on general maintenance like oil changes, tire rotations, brake service, or advanced repairs for your engine, transmission, and more. With our service specials, we offer spend and save coupons at Russ Darrow Kia of Wauwatosa to financially maximize your vehicle's reliability, durability, and safety performances. Our service center will help lower the cost of recommended maintenance performed by our factory-trained technicians while still providing high-quality service. Whether you need repairs or parts with competitive prices, our certified Kia team has you covered. At Russ Darrow Kia of Wauwatosa, amenities are available, including Wi-Fi, service specials, experts, and more. Relax in our comfortable waiting area and enjoy complimentary coffee and refreshments. We look forward to serving you.